how the sim labs prepared alumni for clinicals.
I ultimately decided on West Coast University because when I decided to go to nursing school, I was a single parent. I had inquired on other nursing programs and they didn't seem to believe in me as a single mom wanting to go through an accelerated nursing program. The professors were very passionate about teaching us students, about dedicating extra time if need be, and as I was growing in that, I gained more confidence knowing I was doing an excellent job. The Simulation Center was hands down my favorite piece of being a student at West Coast University. It allowed me to take both the clinical knowledge that was important to know as well as the textbook information and apply it to the real world. Now that I'm a practicing nurse, the Simulation Center allowed me to bridge the gap from the book to the clinical setting.
How the simulation lab can help you build real-world confidence.
I feel like the simulation environment welcomed mistakes. It gave me that cushion to know that if I did make a mistake, if I couldn't figure out a dosage calculation, that it would be okay, but that I would immediately get that feedback and that critique from my instructor so I can go back and never make that same mistake again.
Applying what you learn.
Now that I'm a practicing nurse, I realize just how dynamic and complex my role can be, but also just how much responsibility I'm honored to have. I take my role as a nurse very seriously, and I don't think I would have really gained that insight until I was a nursing student and now a practicing nurse.
Why we do the work.
I want you to know that the road ahead of you is going to be challenging, but when you do finish, I want you to know that the work that you do began with one place, and it was that we all wanted to help others. As a nurse, you're going to be able to do exactly that and so much more.
Experience hands-on education built for you.